Hey guys, it's Summer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my hair care and skincare routine. While in the shower, I use the Herbal Essences Color Me Happy for my dyed hair, and I use an apricot scrub on my face. After I get out of the shower, I dry my hair lightly with my towel to make it less soaking wet and more damp. I used to use this Redken 25-in-1 spray, but I ran out, which sucks because I really love that spray. But instead, I started using this argan oil spray that I have for my damaged hair. I am not light with this product. I spray this oil all over my hair before I brush it. Usually by this point, my hair is fairly detangled already, so I can start from the top, but if I notice any tangles, I will start from the bottom and work my way up to remove them from my hair. Then I'm just going to brush it all back, moving it out of the way to put on my headband to start my skincare. Now, I am a big Neutrogena fan, so I'm first going to start off with their under eye gel cream, and I put that under both eyes. I don't only rub it under my eyes though, I also rub it on the top so that I have hydration in both places. I feel like it's less invasive than putting a lotion on my eyelids. Then I go in with their Hydro Boost gel cream, and I put that all over my face. I put some on my neck, and I also work it onto my ears as well. This lotion is what got me into Neutrogena, and I honestly love it so much. I use it every day. I try my best to massage the product upwards instead of downwards to avoid wrinkles, and on days where I'm not going to shower, I use their cleansing gel to wash my face instead of the apricot scrub. I recently got into these Star Face pimple patches. I like them a lot because they're cute. Pimple patches should not be ugly and weird. They should be cute and look like stars. And then I use Aquaphor usually on my lips to make sure that they are nice and hydrated. Now back to Neutrogena again. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of their products. I use their eyelash and eyebrow serum, and I put this on both sides of my upper and lower lashes on both sides. I believe the serum is supposed to be used at nighttime as part of a nighttime routine, but I typically just use it after a shower, after every shower I take, if I'm not going to be putting on makeup afterwards. That way it just has time to sink in throughout the day. Now that my hair is damp and it's been soaking in the argan oil for a while, I tend to go for some sort of braid to keep it out of the way and protected because it is, like I said, very damaged right now. Today I went for some Dutch braids, but I sometimes go for French braids or regular braids, and I'll clip my bangs back or I'll leave my bangs down. Or sometimes I'll even braid the bangs too. There's lots of options when it comes to braids. I just feel like they always look nice and they're a nice slick way to move your hair out of the way. And there you can see I accidentally missed a piece, which is so fun. I love that. But that's what bobby pins are for. Bobby pins are a big lifesaver for me because my hair has lots of layers, so I can use the bobby pins and some hairspray to tuck those all away. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope your day is as beautiful as you are. Goodbye.